First of all, Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Ajeet Rathor from Rauki Shad Fazal Lao. I study the Paragon Academy Badin in the basic level. So today is my topic is what is a language. The language is source of communication. It's source to understanding. It is source or medium to share ideas, information, knowledge, and wisdom. It helps us to argue questions. We can communicate our feeling, emotion, and sentiments with the help of language. We have language of sound and gestures. Their former is regional, whereas the latter is universal yet complicated to convey ideas. Every language has four skills: name, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And those four skills to our input and to our output. Reading and listening are input skills, whereas speaking and writing are output skills. The output skills is directly proportional to input skills. In L1, we learn it from speaking and listening. We learn it school reading and writing. In L2, we learn it school for these four skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. That is the reason that we cannot talk in English because we teach us a method of L1. If we teach us the method of L2, we learn English very easily and we speak in English easily.